Looks a lot better than last time, right? Today we're cooking dumplings for Chinese New Year. We're gonna have beef and tomato flavour. Should be great. Same as last time, we prepared the pastry first. So we start with 500 grams of flour, small amount of salt, and 250 grams of milliliters of water. Now we stir in one direction. When the mixture starts to look lumpy, like this, we remove everything from the chopsticks, and now we use our hands. Right, and this is definitely a man's job. It requires a lot of strength. So just keep folding over and pressing down. Right, when the pan is looking clear, we can bring out the chopping board. And still making me laugh. Try to fold and spread out multiple times. Keep rotating. Finally done. Sweating. Right, now we need to leave for half an hour. So we're gonna cover it up with cling film. Now we cover and place the lid on for half an hour. While we wait for the dough, we're going to prepare the mince. We've already prepared 3 peeled tomatoes, and we're going to have beef and tomato. Right, first add some salt to try and bring out as much of the juice as we can before we chop. Next, we chop our spring onion really fine, so add some ginger, oyster sauce, black pepper. I'm going to be really careful with this after what happened last time. Salt, soy sauce, light, and some sugar. Cheap white wine. We add in the juice. Okay. Now mix together all in one direction. Now we need to chop our tomato. Now add into the mixture. Now keep stirring one direction. Done. Now we just wait for the pastry. Now we check our dough. Oh, it's soft, ready to begin. Knead it one last time. Done. At this point, if you wanted, you could make a giant bagel. And now we cut. Take your mixture, place it on. Fold over. Make sure it's sealed at the top, all the way around the edge. And now, between the thumbs, done. Not amazing, but not bad. And repeat that process 1,000 times. Then you can enjoy. Here we go, ready to cook. When your water is boiled, put in the dumplings and give it a quick stir. Stir like this and you won't rip the dumplings. Now put the lid back on and wait for it to boil again. Once it's boiling, add cold water. And repeat this process 3 times. Done. Can't wait to try one. Anyway, shoot as ya, sini an kwaila.